Hello. So today we're gonna make the Angel Delight. I posted it and got asked some questions on the recipe, so I thought it might be easier to visually see it. So we are going to start off with our lemon lime Herbalife Liftoff. And this is great because it gives you energy. It helps boost your metabolism. And I am going to just pour this one in the cup. I think get it all. And if you see, I already crushed it. I always crush my Liftoffs just because it helps it dissolve faster. And then we're going to use some lemon lime tea. It doesn't normally come in this container. This is just when I put it in. It is an Herbalife tea. And we're gonna use half a teaspoon. Pour that in there. And the reason that I love this tea, this one's lemon flavored, but it's also because of the fact that it also helps boost your energy, and it's thermogenic, so it helps burn those calories. You can burn up to 100 calories, and it's great. You're burning calories by drinking a tea. I mean, that's essentially running a mile, so I mean, why would you not want to do that? Okay, so while we have that fizzing, let's go ahead and start mixing. And I'm gonna put it in this clear cup so you can see it. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to mix my grape. So this is a grape beverage mix. It is sweetened with stevia. It's made by Abundant Life. And I didn't get quite full of a half teaspoon, so I'm gonna put a little bit more. Okay. And I am going to, actually I should have thrown that in the glass, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and add some liquids in there. I'm adding quite a bit of liquids, more than I normally would, only because I am gonna use this for the bottom and top layer. So that's why I'm going ahead and letting it mix now. Let's let that dissolve for just a little bit. Now normally you could mix that with a little bit of hot water, but honestly, I'm just gonna go ahead and do cold water and go ahead and get ready for the next one. So, same thing that I did here, I'm going to do with the yellow. So this is going to be, actually I said yellow, it's called Limeade. And it's also by Abundant Life and it's sweetened with stevia. And I'm gonna use half a teaspoon again. So, pour half a teaspoon in there. And add a little water. Okay, and I know you can't see that because it's in a pink cup, but it's just gonna let that dissolve too. So, I'm gonna come back over here, and I really wish I had added this when I was adding everything else, but we're just gonna go ahead and add it now. Now, normally I would recommend go ahead and adding part of this when we did the first half. I didn't do that for some odd reason. I wasn't paying attention. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this because I want that bottom color. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and add some ice. Just pour it in there all the way to the top. And we're gonna add a little bit of our limeade mixture that we made. And just slowly pour that in there. Okay. And a little mango aloe. This is also an Herbalife product. I just like to put it in a pretty jar, but it helps with the digestive system. Okay, and then again, I'm gonna come back on top with my grape. And this is your Angel Delight.